folks, I have a beautiful little Scout ukulele to show you today. This is number 669. It's going out to the Scout email list today. The back and sides are some beautiful curly walnut. This is a scrap from a gunstock blank. Got cherry binding on it, a little spruce top, and a cedar neck that's salvaged from an old hot tub, and some walnut for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. So these, yeah, they're little soprano scale instruments I make from shop scraps, and they go out to the email list when I've got one ready. So, yeah. Yeah, it's a good one. Cheers.